Hey guys, it's me. So I just did, I just inked up all these pens, and I did do a video showing me inking them up, but I don't even think I'm gonna post it because it was long. It was ridiculous because I had a little bit of trouble getting them to start, and like it probably user error. It's probably the way I my technique of inking, but I didn't get a lot of. This is actually from afterwards. I didn't get any ink on my hands, which I was proud of because I used a chamois instead of a baby white, but I did end up getting ink on my hands afterwards, but that's another story. But I thought that I would share what I did ink these up with, and I will show you the difference. Okay, so this is my TWSBI Eco, and I think this is, yeah, this is a fine, all right? And then, so I inked that one up with ox blood, okay? And then I inked this mini up with amber. So I didn't want them all inked up with the same ink, but I got the same kind of ink. So it's the same manufacturer, same, none of them are shimmer and all that. So so we can look at the difference. So that is a medium. And then I inked up, this is just a regular Diamond 580. And I inked it up with Imperial Purple. And then I did ink up this Leonardo Momento Zero. And I inked it up with this sample that I had of Robert Oster Crocodile Green. Okay, and I got this sample from Goulet Pens. And so I will, now I do not have good handwriting, but I thought that I would show you the difference in like the difference between the mediums and the fines and the 580, because I think, if I'm not mistaken, the 580s have a different nib than the Eco. And then I'll just show you what this looks like, because this is a fine. And I love a fine. I'm trying to make myself transition to mediums. And I'm thinking, oh, goodness. And then I'm actually thinking maybe I could have tolerated getting this in a medium. I like this. I like the fine. But I think if I ever get another one of these pens, I might actually go for a medium. Like I said, I'm trying to move toward medium. I've always liked a really sharp point all my life, but the mediums do seem like they are a little smoother. Okay, so let's take a look at this. All right. Let's see. Okay. Let's move this out the way, and then so we'll just put the date up here today. Oh, let me put my readers on. Give me just a second. Okay, December. And today is, well, we got one more day in this year. December 30th, 2022. Cannot believe that we're about to go into 2023. All right, so this is Leonardo Momento Zero. All right, and I think the name of this was Blue Hawaii, I think. All right, and this is Oster. Crocodile green. All right, and then we'll take a look at this. Now I'm trying to give it just a little bit, just a tiny bit of pressure because I don't want to mess this up at all. All right, and then do a smear test. Okay, that's pretty wet, isn't it? All right, so that is that one. Oh, let's see if it'll not really, doesn't really write in reverse. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, and then we're going to go to the TWSBI Eco. I keep wanting to say Echo, but this is TWSBI Eco. It's in the rose gold, and we have, is this the one that has ox? Yeah, this one has ox blood ink in it. All right. Which is kind of dramatic. Why would they name it ox blood? But either way, okay, so TWSBI Eco. And then this is a fine nib. And it's with diamide, ox blood ink. All right, and then I like this one. And then we'll see. Wow. Okay, and then we'll see how wet it is. Yeah, pretty wet. And that's a fine. All right. And then, oh, so when I was inking this up, so this is the Diamond 580. This is the regular size. So when I was inking this up, I got ink in here. And so I had to take this loose, and I never would have known this had I not gotten ink in it and I had to clean it. So I didn't realize that the parts was underneath. So I just thought that I would share that. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Now this is a medium. Okay. So this is, okay. TWSBI Diamond. This is very smooth. 580. And this is a medium nib. I'm trying to write sideways. Okay. And then with Imperial Purple. I think I like this. It is pretty wet, but I like it. All right. This is nice. Now, this is going to be super wet. Yeah, I barely even touched it because I knew I was going to get it all over the place. Okay, oh, so let's see. Yep, it does write in reverse. All right, so that is the Diamond 580. That's the regular size. Uh-oh, shoot. Let's see. I don't want to end up messing with the piston. Let me see. okay, yeah. Because that's probably why I didn't start right away the first time. It's, I probably unscrewed it a little. But anyway, so that's that one. And then my last one is a mini. It's a Diamond 580 mini. And I have amber in it. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, this one you screw on. Okay. All right, so let's see. TWSBI. 580 mini. And this is a medium nib. Okay, and this is with diamond amber. I'm trying to write at a weird angle, which is why this is looking weird. All right. And so let's do this. This one is not as good as that one, but it may have some air in it and stuff like that. So I'll probably just have to write with it a little bit more. Okay. All right, so I thought that I would share that with you guys. So we got 3 different kinds. We got the regular, oh, let's go out. Okay, so we got the regular Eco. Okay, we got Eco. Then we got the Diamond 580. Then we got the Mini. All right. And then, of course, my Leonardo. And this seems like this would be heavy. It is not. I think this is heavier. This is definitely heavier. And so, I am really going to enjoy. I think I'm going to like all 3 of these. All 4 of these. So, I'm pretty happy today. I got this from Endless Pens, and right now they have a sale, guys. I got a couple of more pens coming because they had a sale. Anything that was on clearance, there's a 40% off, and then there's like another 15% off when you check out. It's on like your entire cart, which is, you know, ridiculous. So I got a couple of pens coming. But anyway, I thought I would share that if y'all want to go take a look. Endless Pens. All right, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.